Okay, let's go. We will start today there where we stopped at the last time, and I think it was at this point where I was trying to save all the sprites. Somewhere I was setting them. There was a tool. How was it? I think here are not all tools. This one. Here, open. Just have to go to the flowers. Environment. Plants. Flower sheet. And this one. So let's see, we have orchids. White orchids. And just copy this part. This one is blue orchids. And then we have daisies. White daisy. Okay, and orange daisy. Then we have hydrangea. Pink hydrangea. White hydrangea. That is a tulip. Yellow tulip. Red tulip. This one is dandelion. Is it the dandelion? Yes, dandelion. Yellow dandelion. Is it written like this? Dandelion. Yes. White dandelion. Next, dahlia. Pink dahlia. Blue dahlia. Then we have wait. That are azaleas. These are the dahlias. Yellow dahlia. Pink dahlia. Oh, this is the pink dahlia. This one is azalea. Hello, Koreani. Your mic is acting strange again. Oh, wait. Just a second. Just a moment, I try to fix it. Okay, let me test that now. Okay, that sounds like I'm in a hall, in a hallway. Um, um, um. How do I fix it? I think you need to lower your sensitivity. I'll try it. Is it better this way? Test. Hello, hello. Test, test. Is it better this way? No, it's not. It's very noisy in the background, I think. What I can do. I can hear every click. Yes, it's very sensitive. And also, when I don't talk, you can see something here. Shouldn't make this, it's very sensitive. Test. Is it better this way? Is it better? Test, test. No, it's horrible. I just try to set the filters. How do I lower the sensitivity? Better this test. Test. I think it's a bit better now. I think it's a bit better now. It's not like before I was hearing a background noise. Let's see how it will be. Otherwise I have to recheck the settings. And thanks for the feedback. Otherwise I wouldn't know. Zalea. Oh wait, no, turn back. Click the buttons on the keyboard. Talk, then sometimes it's cut it. I'll test the keyboard now. Azalea Gladioles. I think it's okay. Let me test again. Freesias. Yeah, no, it's perfect. Okay, I hope it will stay like that. Otherwise, it could be that I also have streaming problems then. That the streaming isn't stable. Blue Freesias. Freesias. Yellow Freesias. Okay, what is that? That should be Poppy. Red Poppy and Blue Poppy. And this one is Violets. White Violets. And the red Violets. Okay, now yellow sunflower seeds. Red sunflower seeds. Red rose seeds. I forgot. Oh no, I don't. Blue rose seeds. Lilies. Yellow lilies seeds. What do I call them? Pink? Pink. Yep. Orchids and daisies. Yellow. It's hard to even imagine how boring it is. You mean this one? Yes. I'm 100% sure there's a script you can use. Just write a Excel table and let it just work to rename it later on. But even things like this needs to be done. Yellow, daisy. That's why I can't work that long on this one. And what is this for? That are the inventory sprites for the items. What is that? I mean, renaming. That when I save them later, that it will save it directly with this name. Because every sprite name I saved with exact this pattern of name. That I have a consistency in file names. That one is... what is that? Oh, hydrangea. And yellow tulip seeds. Dandelion. Wait, is that even... I'll create it. Dandelion seeds. I know that this one, the white dandelions just, I mean, somehow are a evolution version of this yellow ones. I'll just create it right now. Maybe I'll do it the same way like I did it with paprika. With paprika. Where I just have different states, green, yellow, red, and you are able to pick them up in every state. White. Now it's dahlias. Pink dahlia seeds. Yellow. Azalea gladioles. Wait, was this the other layer? Yes. Now white and red gladioles and then freesias. White gladioles, gladiole seeds, red gladiole seeds, blue freesia seeds, yellow freesia red. That was poppy. This one was violet. And all right. So we renamed all of them. Oh no, slice 10, not. Oh, I can delete the slice. Wouldn't it be easier to just color the flaws in the engine? There would be an option, but then you somehow have to create a version where this is the way how I did it with the player. But I think the way how the engine is mixing the colors is give them a very not colorful look, but more like a less saturated look. And I think with shaders it would be a bit not complicated, but for example, I mean it would be possible for this one maybe to just change it from yellow to red, but you will always have this little part which you have to cut out with a mask, that this will not have an effect from the color change. So rather than creating million of different masks for every type of plant, I think it's easier to just change the color here. And then even then you can even exchange two colors. For example, here I changed just the outside, that is a mask thing. But somewhere here, for example, I changed this one to from a yellow to dark red, and this one from a white to a bright red. But it would be possible. But now I have to find out how to save slices. Sprite save slices as PNG. Can select the slice to a C, then left click you create a new slice. Exactly, there's a little trick used by the default theme to auto-export import slide into an XML files, for example. Create a sheet.asprite. When you save the .png. When you save the PNG file, wait, I'll just show you what I'm reading. You can create a sheet with the following content. When you save the PNG file, the content of the XML file will be updated automatically to something like to have a PNG plus. I work with Chorus Creator from Chorus 2DX. This has also 9 slice screen, but I haven't needed it until now. Perhaps in the future. On one of my files a while ago, and now I know how to remove them. Sprite data? What do they mean with sprite data? So that I can upload to OpenSea, but I think I'm doing something wrong. Isn't this to create slices on a single image so you can export? And are used for slices are used for sprite. Sprite can export their data in a JSON file to be used. It's more efficient for games to have all sprites in one image and know the position. Oh, that's too bad. My game user revenue, not sprite sheet. Thanks for letting. In the near future, I want to improve the export interface to support more options. And this is the thing what I don't understand how to use it yet. Sprite isn't working. How do I set it up? I can't call the sprite exe. So you need to save each slice as a separated PNG file. Yes. And it somehow you somehow can do it with the command line interface. And this is this one. This is this here. Do I have to go to the file? So items. This is what I need to write at the end. So first change directory. I have to go maybe to why my computer changed to be German? And now I have to call this one. Not found. Did I have to put... Okay, what if I just put this file into this directory? Cannot because give location error saving file. Oh, because it's a folder which is maybe this way. Yeah, copy spread.exe. Why it's writing this weird way? How can I get rid of this? Wait, it's just start as this one. Insert. Yes, I pressed it multiple times, but it doesn't work here. It worked for set it, but it doesn't work to set it back for some reason. Wait. CD. This one. All right. Now we copy this here to here. Then we say this here. Save as. Okay. We have it here. And I think I just named this one wrong. Where's Blue Rose? Yeah, Blue Rose. Let me check all of them. Yes. So we have to save this file in C programs. A sprite. All right, and we have to say this one. What is minus B? What is B? Windows command Start the read the first string. And on use start B, you cannot use full pass X to run. All right. I mean, at least it's working. The way I want it to. Wait, here's an. Yeah. Huh? Why I can't delete them now? Um. Oh, okay. There wasn't existing anymore. All right, and here we have all the sprites. All right, so we have the textures here now. 1194 divided by 2 divided by 2. That are the amount of, actually divided by 4 in total. That are the amount of items in this game. So what we also need to do is to create this sprites. What a fun work to save files. Where a random guy on the web? On the net, sorry. Welcome. It's been a while, yes? What are you doing? I'm just about to just save a few files. I think it will take a lot of time. Maybe today even not have time to coding something again. Working on growth or something else? No, this is growth. I'm working on growth. Yeah, but I just create I do the plants now. I add all the plants I wanted to have in this game at this moment. I draw all the sprites lately, and now I just try to implement the new system, but for all of that I need to create all the yeah, graphics first, and then I can keep going with the system. with the programming part. Because I think the old flower system, what I had in game, is actually not matching that much with the all over. Wait, this is too big. Play. The all over way to play the game. It was not matching with all the planting system, as it was a bit more random. And I want that when things spawning, for example, in the world, they will spawn all in a very similar way. But for plants and stones in the caves, they had an own system which I created, but it was more random. This way it will hopefully fit a bit more, because it's the exact same way how objects in the garden spawn and how trees in the garden spawn. So we have this one. This here afterwards, these are the world sprites, these are the world item sprites, and these are the world inventory item sprites. So 56 more. Well, 487 EDB. What is 487 EDB? Yellow sunflower seeds. Sprite word. Red sunflower. I don't know, it looks cool on my guy. Oh, that was the shirt color. Alright. Alright, I understand it now. There are not much people with random hairs like that. Actually, just you here. Red rose seeds sprite world. Blue rose seeds sprite world. Freesia. Wait, is it Freesia after rose? After rose, we have lilies. This is a yellow lily seeds. Pink lily. I'm all blue now, lol. Maybe you should wear a white hat and make the skin also blue, and white pants, then you looks like a Smurf. Lily, pink lily, and yeah, pink lily. What is this? So we have orchids and daisies afterwards. White orchid, seeds, sprite world. Blue orchid, seed sprite world. Well, nice idea. I only have 60 rare coins right now, but I'm definitely gonna do that. We'll see. White daily seed sprite. Oh no, this is not. This is this one without seeds. Pink lily. This one is white. Orchid. Seeds. Blue orchid. White. Alright, man, happy game to do. I get to go study. Good luck with study. Have fun. Thanks for joining anyway. Hopefully see you again. White. Daisy. Seeds. Orange. Daisy. Seeds. I forgot this name again. Daisy hydrangea. Red. Oh no, pink. Hydrangea seeds. White. Hydrangea seeds. Yellow tulip seeds. Red tulip. Yellow dandelion seeds. White dandelion seeds. Dahlias. Pink dahlia seeds. Yellow. Azalea. Gladiols and then Freesias. White gladiols. Oh no, gladiol. Red gladiol. Blue Freesia. Yellow Freesia. Red poppy. Blue poppy. White. What was this name? I forgot the name of this one. Violets. And red. Alright, so we have the seeds and then now I'm making a travel learn rest game. I'm actually do a farming RPG game with kind of an automation process. Like you can building up machines and automate processes in your garden. I just create the plants because yeah, all the other things I already created. Lily, most of them. Pink, lily. It's like you have your own farm over here. It's spawning right when you start the game. Here's a village. I have to delete data. A sprite, nope. Godot. App user data. Growth, save, delete this one. Alright. You need to be good at sound mixer too. Actually at the moment I don't have any sound yet. This will be a part for later. Yes, but I would like to create all the sounds myself for everything. Here you have the farm where you can already clean up the garden. You have many items already to choose on. You can planting trees, you can planting smaller plants, you can even grow up chickens, placing chests and machines, and a conveyor belt system where you can transport items from A to B. And you can go fishing, you can go farming. Well, wait. Wait, why input inventory is null? Okay. Yeah, at least you are able to place. There's a chest system you can have. There are machines you can process items through. You can growing up animals at the moment, just 4, but it will be more later. You can planting trees, you can planting fruits, you can planting vegetables, and now also flowers, but flowers I didn't implement 100% yet. You also can go fishing, mining, and visit and do a few quests in the village, talk with NPCs. This is what you can do right now. I'll be right back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Let me see how you upgrade the farming mechanics. Do you spend most time on it, bro? Isn't it? Which farming you mean? Actually, the last month, the most time I was spending on the transport function for transport items from one place to another. But right now I can't tell why I can't place chests. Even I can't play anything because for some random reason input inventory is never set it. Input inventory seems to be null. Even I set it the moment when I place objects. Child is storage. Child.output inventory is child.input inventory. Input output bool if is false. New inventory. Storage size. It should work actually. We return a new inventory, and the new inventory will be inventory data. I think I just have a bug here, that's why I can't actually show it. It's like this one is not properly set it. But I can't tell why. True. Storage size 1, bigger. Storage size 1. False. Print new inventory. I want to print it before something happens here. Let's see. Set farmhouse icon. I mean, input inventory seems to be 0. And it's like we never set it somewhere. Oh, I see. Thanks, bro. No problem. Step by step. Yes. Yes, yes. But anyway, I have to fix this bug now. I feel like we never went through this problem, through this one here. Input inventory. This one we do when we reparent it. So it wasn't existing at the moment when we call set farmhouse icon, and this one we set When do we send farmhouse process? In ready. Okay, that's the problem here. We already need to create the inventories the moment we click on the item. So we have to reparent placed objects. This part needs to be called also in the moment when it got created, rather than when we just place it. If child is object placing area, can object placing area equal child? Why I do this one? Children player.active slot.quantity -1. This part, actually this part here, no, only this part. Sprite set object sprite child. Needs to be called already. Add inventories. Wrong. This one. What should be slotted but is connectable. This part here, before we was calling it here, I know we was calling it here, but we already have to call it here. If placing object dot is so let's see. I see you use reparent for that mechanic. Yes, I do. Beforehand, I was using deleting it and using placing. Like I delete the old one and place or instantiate an old function and a new scene. Probably again current slot data on a base object of type static body. What was child? I think it's object slot data, connectable. Class, it is object slot data. Let's see. I hope it's working now. Hope it works. Consider on the base of your type static body. Okay, I think that should be the last change we need to do because bees and flowers. I need just a random flower. Oh, here, tulips. That are the old tulip sprites. Alright. Has a base nil. Slot data? Slot data is 1 1. So where do I call has? Possible drops dot get? I think this isn't the problem. I think the problem here is the dictionary. Possible drops dictionary. Beehive is B, but B is 4. But how I can find out which has is the problem here? This one? Oh, I think the inventory name, because this is not existing here. Um, um, I would like to find out what this inventory is. 85 at the end. $185. Here's no 185. But I think it's the second one. What can I do? This is not existing because I just got the name of the animal which is inside there. Where do I change the name? There should be a point somewhere where I set the name of the inventory. Um, this name is Beehive and this name is Bee. Is it Beehive because I write it with a small b? Um, possible. Beehive is with this. Oh, B is written small. Oh, I see, but my knowledge about GameDev is sufficient, bro. I can't help you with that, and I do code from zero. No worries. I try to figure it out. But the problem is I'm writing it with a small b here, so it can't find it. So I go to global data. If current item dot b, add to dictionary b current item. Okay, let's see. I think it should work now. That should be the fix for the beehive. Still, if I would just testing it with another, well, I just want one bee, one beehive, and some random plant. Tulips. And it's working. Even the bees are, for some random, the bees are invisible. Which I think is, I mean, it's fine for the moment. I'll fix it. But at least it's working. I think the process is working. We're at the large animal house. And we will take a cow, and I need hay or grass. So we have this one. The positioning is still wrong. Oh, the same for cow. And pig. Amazing improvement. Thank you. Chicken also. Start. Take the cow. We will take hay. Hay or grass. And a large animal house. The small one. And where's the large one? Okay, it's working. For some random reason, the cows are invisible. Okay. And the positioning is wrong. Why the positioning is that wrong? So when I do apple seeds, for example, it's fine. When I do broccoli seeds, it's also fine. When we do beehives, it's half a pixel wrong. And here's also wrong to the left. Always to the left. Input inventory. So it should be somewhere here where we set the sprite. Okay, we set the... How's the game dev? Very good, I guess. I just found a few bugs which happening now. And I just try to figure them out. And why they happen. But very good. Selected position index plus current count. I see you already made the game and you just improved the assets on it. Yes, I mean, not improve the assets, I just create new assets for this game. Right now I'm to create new plants for this game, new flowers. And when I wanted to show you something, I just found a bug and I can't keep working with this bug, so I have to do something. Getting rid of the bugs is always a W. Yes, but I think it's sometimes you are sitting there for a really small bug, the longest time period. So I hope I can fix this one. I mean, this one, it's more not like a bug, it's more like a mistake in programming of the positioning of the items. Placing objects amount. Where's the position? Setting the position is bigger. Placing object position. Oh, wait. I think I know where the problem is. Farmhouse? Is that bug something? The code is not working? I think it's just a visual bug. Maybe. So when I have ground plant, for example, I take the sprite, which has actually the same size. I would like to see the size of this one. It's minus 32 and minus 32. Minus 24 and minus 24. What is this texture size? 128 and 32. This one is 16 by 16. Well, but the ground of, for example, cucumber. What do I have set it for size? 16 by 16, and then I check for beehive. (16 by 16) also. I'll try something. What is this farming game about? You build up your farm to get a lot of stuff. You have a collection book and a quest log. This is the collection book of all possible items there are in this game. You can get a few achievements, around about 100 at the moment. You can talk with NPCs, do quests, go farming, go fishing, go mining in a cave. You can open up your market every morning. There will be a few NPCs who will buy items from you. You can level yourself. You can level up. You can grow up animals such as bees, for example. And they will produce items for you. You also can place machines. This one is a seed extractor. From this one you can get seeds, and when you don't want to refill your machines anymore on your own, or you need a very large amount of items, you can place something like conveyor belts to your farm, and this will put the items automatically out and put them in chests or in other machines to plant new trees or process them even further. So you can even automate processes in this game. Here's a village where you can talk with several NPCs, such as this guy. He will sell you in the playthrough a few blueprints that you can have several machines to do your processes. This guy do similar things but with animal houses. Here you are able to buy different seeds for planting trees later on. And right here you can buy different animals. There will be also other ways to get animals, but here you can get the standard chickens, pigs and cows. And this is the house of the major of the village, and he has a bit of yeah, well, at least at the beginning of the game you'll have a few quests to do. This one is a scrapyard where you can exchange your scraps, what you found while you play this game, and you can exchange this for useful decoration items. Here's a restaurant which looks like a diner, and you can eat food here and maybe sell also you can sell to every NPC some stuff which will match to their job. For example, the restaurant, you can sell a lot of fruits and vegetables. And here you can play a few mini games. This one is a claw machine, which has a few bugs. But when you are lucky enough, you can get a bear or two when you are lucky. And now I don't have tries left, but I got a bear. And so on. Here are a few mini games you can play. This one is duck fishing, where the window is a bit small. and so on. The loading version is not working. I think I will just fix by working with sub windows, but this later. And yeah, this is around about almost everything you can do in this game, except that I don't show fishing and I don't show farming. Don't show fishing and mining. There's a cave on this map where you can mine stones. And so on. And that's around about that what the game is about. Okay, I think this problem is happening because I was on the funfair. There are a few bugs happening like this, or errors. Well, which bug wasn't working properly? The placing function for machines and also for, I mean, machines was working, but farmhouses, for some random reason not. They are a bit off. So when I try to place this one, it's I see you have lots of mechanics in your game. At least you spent 2 years in that making that. Yes, I know, not 2 years yet. It's 1 year and 4 months. So a bit less of 1.5 years. There are even functions I didn't tell yet. You're also to, as you can see here, these farming houses also have levels. As you can see here, and these levels you can also upgrade to speed up your machines. Hello welcome, how are you doing? You can upgrade them from 1 until 9, as you maybe know from like RPGs, from MMORPGs. Finally added the tail for the cow. Wait, the cow didn't have a tail? Oh, yeah, the cow didn't have the tail. I didn't saw it like last time. Well, I just found a few bugs here. The sprite seems to be off. Do I set it an offset in ground plans? Do ground plans has an offset? Is that the underground? No, this is the underground. And this is -24 and -24. I'm tired of coding, so I'm looking at RPG Maker right now for some new stuff. Wait, tired of coding? Did you not just... Oh, you was working with Unity, never mind. I just thought you was working with... What if you use something like... How's it called? Where you just put puzzles, I mean like pieces together. like not coding. Minus 24, minus 24. Oh yeah, I used blueprints in so similar thing. Blueprint. Yeah, maybe it's similar, but actually I mean something like it will looks like this at the end. Move, turn, if this, do this, do this, do this, do this. In Unreal. Yes, in Unreal there are blueprints. But I just thought that's what I just showed before, but I forgot how to call it. Health bar? Oh well. There are some fun games by Scratch. Yeah, actually, I think you seriously can create games with Scratch for like mobile games. And I think there are even popular games. Wait, what is the most geometry dash? Is made in Scratch. By the way, Germany is covered in white right now. Yes, it was snowy the last days. Actually, no. Which is very crazy. There was temperatures above 5 degrees the last days, but they went just down to -7 again. If you mean the snow. Underground sprite is 16 by 16. Yeah, the snow. All right, okay. I just thought this was a metaphor for something. Wait, okay. Okay, I know where the problem is. The positioning of this. So maybe I should watching for this collision shape is here. Ten by 10. This position is -32, -24. And here it is position -24 and -24. The sprite has to be here. Let me try this. Also, I watched the strike against FT. Yes, I think there are a lot at the moment. I think the situation right now in Germany seems to be very horrible. Okay, actually this was the problem here. And now I'll do it with this one. This is way off now. It's like 8 pixels to the left. Farmhouse. Where do I set the sprite for farmhouses? Target position. The UI group. Collision output. Where's sprite to the position? Alright, here, can you do it again, bro? How you play your minigame in your game? And see the values of FPS or process or physics process. I can print the FPS. Where's debug? Here, print FPS, close, start. Which minigame? And my at the moment FPS is 160. I think the FPS shouldn't drop that much. I'm playing, bro. Just play and see the debugging. Same. I mean, while changing the scene, of course it has an FPS from 1 or 2 because there's no graphics inside. Click the debugging again. And here's the FPS. Ah, the debugger. Yes, there are a lot of bugs. Because of this, I think all of this bug is happening because I do two things at the same time. This easily can fix with an await function. Or call deferred. Like that I say so this would be fixed. can't change the while flashing curious. Use call deferred. Debugger and monitor. Monitor. I mean, this code is maybe this is already 1 year old. That's why it seems to have a lot of bugs. Tweened property radius does not exist in object edition. Tab of debugger. I mean, I'm at the tab of debugger. Ah, here, monitors. Alright, never mind. Oh, alright. This is what you wanna see. Good evening, hello Scythe. It's normal to have bugs sometimes. I run and bug. Yeah, this is the most common thing in GameDev. Run from one bug to another. Yay, I was cheating on my own game. Yes. These are the things. I mean, this I've learned today. I never saw that I have a monitor. Did you saw enough, or should I show another game? Or, I mean, okay, even a bug here. And it wasn't a bug, it was more like a scene switch problem. That's good, bro. You run and so smooth. I'm jealous now. What maybe could help is to clean your cache. This is what I do sometimes to at least start the game faster. You see, this took a while until the game starts. It could be way faster when you just, sometimes it helps when you go to your folder, close the game, delete this folder, and open up your scene again, open up your game again. But before you do that, do a backup of this folder. This is important. So I'll close that. I'll do a backup of this one. Delete it. And run it again. And then I need to start it several times. I have to do it anyway because there's another data loading related bug. Now you got a few errors. It will import all your data now. All your files. This may take a while. Now it will look like this. Project settings, plugins, enable, and this one also. Close. Then project, reload current project. Then it will take a while again. And you do that until everything is loaded properly. And again. Scanning. And when I start the game now, it should be way faster. Okay, actually it's not that much faster, but before I had the problem that the game will needs like minutes to start. So the improvement would be a bit better, but that helps a lot for your PC to reload the update the cache. Wait, what? I need the global data and sprites. Delete cache. Go to your project folder. If you don't know where to find your project folder, you can just click here, open in File Manager. Then you are probably somewhere inside, and you have to go to your resource folder. This one is this one, and there will be .godot folder. Right click. I'll just click it. I always copy it somewhere just to be safe. Just copy paste it somewhere. Then you will delete it, and then you restart your project. So close your project, backup of this folder, delete this folder from your project folder, open Godot again, open your project. Sometimes when you have add-ons, you have to open it multiple times. Like open it once, then you click on project, reload current project until everything is loaded and you don't got any error anymore, and then everything should be run faster a bit. Sprite. Add inventories, reparent, set object sprite. This is what I wanted to do. This one is not true. At least for 32 by 32, there's something wrong. We are a bit too much to the left. That means x-axis and this one. Is that fine now? Let's see. This we'll find out when we place a large animal house. Just delete that as every... Okay for that? Okay, bro, what are you learning? Yes, but do a backup before. It's always important to do a backup of this one, of this folder. I never had any problems with that, but it's always better to have a backup than just sit there and don't have anything. Large animal house. This seems to be wrong. Still wrong? It's 32 by 32. Position is 0 minus 32. I just check if it's really sprite 2D in this one too. What? Why it's disappearing? How I can keep it? This is fine, but we have to actually already set it before. So we do it when we reparent it. But this part we also should do here. Let's see. Yes, it's working now. And in the world, we have to use the temp group. This one we have to say placed objects group. Visibility, ordering 1 and Y sorting enabled. Ordering 1 and Y sorting enabled. Otherwise we will have Y sorting problems here. And so the Y sorting is perfect now. Alright. So I'll just do a short break and then I'll come back to do a bit of play a bit of GeoGuessr. Um, I'll be right back, just in a second. All right, let's get started. Lately, I just was learning the Japanese meta. I can now. Let's play a few duels. We just fell in Elo. So let's see what we got. Okay, this one is a hard one. I would go to France. It was in Paris. At least the right country. Let's see. Let's GG. Why is that GG? Okay, tenor. European plates. We drive on the right hand side, but I can't read this one. It's one of these countries. Ah, it was Lithuania. Yes, one of these countries has G as a shortcut for street. Turn on the right hand. I wasn't sure it was Romania or Hungary. Because this port could be in both of these countries. Next we have. Okay, this one seems to be harder. This actually seems to be very hard for me. I could totally mess it up right now. So the sun is in the north. But for me, this... Wait, the sun is... Oh, we are in the northern hemisphere. Only I would go somewhere here. It could be also somewhere else. Okay, it was very near. Very close. It's fine. I was a bit more near, but it's fine. Well, it was a Senegal. Because there was blue license plates, and only Senegal in Africa has blue license plates. Only in Nigeria you will be followed by a police car. Okay. Next. So what we have here, is it a square pole? Yes. Okay, it was here, but I'm a bit more near. What we have here, round pole. These houses. Okay, Japan. But he was in Hungary. I mean, I was thinking about I'll pick Italy, but the houses gives me more like hope I not mess it up right now. But this white truck. Okay, he actually take the same, but it was in Kazakhstan. Okay, actually that also could be that the truck drives there. This seems to be harder. Okay, it was Russia. It looks North European for me. Yeah, actually, I think the exact same thing like him here. Um, I hope it's here and not here. Otherwise, it's GG. Because I saw this mountain. Alright, next. Let's see. Against TF Marvel. Marvel? Okay, let's see what we have here. Drive on the right hand side. Hard one. This one is a hard one. Okay, it was Mexico. These yellow lines gives me USA vibes, but the problem was here that we didn't speak English. Respectedness priorities. Okay, well, this is a well-known track, so it's here you can't get points. Okay, Ukraine. Just saw a bit of red on the car, so just was not 100% sure. Seems to be Brazil. Argentina. Well, here go Mexico. I just know it because of the iron trash cans in front of the doors. Oh. Well, these gray ones can be just here. Good that I learned them. That's very nice when you just learn something and you can use this knowledge for win the next round. Oh well, what he's master too. I think this is right, but I'm not 100% sure because this car is confusing me. Actually, he's a master too. I'm gold 3. Why I got a game against this guy? I think the short head was Serbia. Well, he knows the same meta, I guess. Portugal. Interesting. Okay, it was Mexico, GG's. I didn't saw something Mexico. Okay, well, this was a bit weird that I got a game against someone who is rank master 2. I'm gold 3. So let's see who will be my opponent. Someone in master 2 again. Why I'm playing against master 2 people? I'm gold 3. I think it's a bit not fair. I have no clue. I guess just that we somewhere in USA, but we was in Nova Scotia. That wasn't my first guess. This one. I'm not even. I mean, are we in Europe? Probably yes. Okay, Bulgaria. Oh, we was in the mountains. My whole time thought was we was somewhere near the water. But we was in the mountains all the time. Antenna. Well, we just guessed in the right same moment. What a weird sound here. I think it's here. It could be also North Italy. Not North Italy, but it could be also Italy with this port. Oh, with this bollards. Oh, and also, yeah, Slovenia, Italy, and Austria. Hmm. I just guessed this because of this truck. Could be also totally wrong. Well, I won against a master too. Got 17 points. So let's see what we have here now. Well, there's another city in Kazakhstan. Well, I just didn't know. Of course there will be, but I didn't found. Okay, this houses. Oh well. I wanted to go Turkey first, but I wasn't 100% sure because of the lining, the stripes on the street. I'm not sure where in Mexico this could be. Could be also here. I have actually no clue here. If it's Mexico, to be honest. Which rank did he have? Gold. Okay, at least someone on my elo. Maybe the next thing I will learn is India. Well, because this India is very, very like painful when you guess in the wrong area. Okay, Cambodia has also this truck. I just was like, it can't be Sri Lanka because I saw the font. But I don't see enough to just put it into like that. I was 100% sure that this could be an Southeast Asia country. Alright, let's see what we have here. I can't really tell if you're in Romania or Hungary. Hungary, alright. What's the difference between Hungary polls and Romania polls? That would be very interesting. When I'm right, this should be here. Yes, it was the Emirates flag. Alright, what do we have here? Oh. I would like to can read this. Actually, this is the Panama truck, but I'm afraid that this here could be for some random reason Senegal. Alright. Because it doesn't look like Panama, but I just was confused by the truck. Yeah, well, this is... a random guess somewhere, I think, but maybe it's also more here. If I'm right, this port seems to be like, for me, like the mouse ports. Oh, even here. Alright, because I saw a few mountains. Yeah, also mountains. Good to know. Yeah, doesn't tell me anything. Okay, nothing gives me a hint here. We have a blue car. Ah. And not birches. Wait, the sun is on the... So we're on the northern hemisphere. This car won't tell me anything. Military cemetery. Okay. This could be probably just a random guess of mine. I'm not sure if this map is matching with my elo. I have actually no clue. Okay, it was in Canada. No idea. Next.
We're assuming you finished whatever business you had in Munich. Seems like a decent assumption. Good to hear. It paid you a lot of money. We expect to have it.
I hope this is a shit cam. Or it's Russia. Probably not. It's India. Yes, it is even Mumbai. I'm very happy with that guess. If I doesn't get the points. This is Russia. Every time I see this yellow, I think that are gas pipes. It's Russia.
Super interesting on the phone. Can you give me a coffee?
So next, crazy. So yellow line. Okay. Okay, I guessed more in the south because I saw these rubber trees. That's why I was guessing the... This one is... We should be probably somewhere in UK, but I can't tell where. Here's just a river from north to south.
Bitte, wenn sich dann am Ende sitzen. Genau wissen, wie viel Fahrt er dir gegeben hat. Ich will mir gerechnet.
Well, that's GG. Maybe it can do the 750 today. That would be great. So this one is again mastered. Ooh. Is it just me or are you listening to one song the entire stream? I mean, you are right, the shuffle function is... the shuffle function is not working properly. I'll just open up Spotify again. I was hungry. Maybe I was really listening to the same song the whole stream. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. My setup today was not good. Oh, we drive on the left side. Wait, do we drive on the left side? Okay, yes, we was driving on the left side. I wasn't sure here. Okay, I have to be faster. Oh, he is from there. It was his home. It was his home country until he's guessing very fast. Okay, it's also matching with this one. He's playing very fast. I have to play fast also, otherwise I will lose here. I want to do the 750 here. This everything in this here is very confusing. I didn't see it would be somewhere near in Europe. Really. I just saw this blue truck. Not the blue. Oh, I lose so many points. I just saw the blue okay. Oh, probably not there, but it's fine. Oh well, we was in New Zealand. Okay, I should concentrate. I just saw the New Zealand bollards a bit late. Okay, it is Oman. What a beautiful landscape. Yes, that's true. Okay, the shuffle of this one is working. The shuffle function of well, I hope he didn't see it. Oh my god, I was almost there. Okay. Okay, we have to got this. Is that a papaya? Are that papayas? Or is it just leaves? Could be. Oh no, never mind. I think that are just leaves. But this looks like rice fields for me. Rice fields. I mean, maybe it's no. I have no clue actually. It's very hard. Okay, it was Thailand. I wasn't sure on this one. It could be here, but I wasn't very sure on this one. That's a nice outfit. That's a very nice outfit. I like it. Well, I just was trying to find Sobi. Or even Master again, Master 2. I almost go to Iceland, but I just saw .fo and the landscape looks more like Faroe Islands. But the track was fully blurred, which was confusing me a bit. Oh, I just thought it was Lesotho because of the trees, because of the mountains. Okay, I need to concentrate. Well, very, very rare coverage here. There are not many streets up there, as much as I know. Okay. GG. What a lose. Oh no, not him again. My rating is very low right now. Okay, black car. Oh. The overall looks like Scotland. Oh. Well, I didn't know this island. All the coverage and all the maps I've got here, I have no clue. Because I think I play just in a elo where I shouldn't be, where I shouldn't be yet. Oh. Well, he was in Hungary. Okay, it was Peru. I was thinking Peru 1 second, but I didn't know that you have a really big desert in Peru. Oh, okay, finally someone in my elo. Maybe I can come back to the 700. Okay, let's see what we have here. Um, go to Quebec. Quebec. Okay, it was Manitoba. Alright, Manitoba. Oh, Manitoba. Because of this. Oh, it was Russia also have this hooks. That also makes more sense with the landscape. Well, I just thought it won't be in London, so I'll go like here. I always just have these 3 cities what I will cover. I have no clue. But he neither, so it's fine. But this is not Dubai. But it also was Cambodia, so we drive on the left hand side. I always click Abuja because it's in the middle of the country. I have no clue. Estonia, alright. But you go to Canada. That's game. Okay, hopefully there will be a win now and I can come back to at least 700 points. I would like to have 700 points. That would be great. That's so good when you learn Japan. I hope there will be more Japan rounds here. English? Ah, New Zealand. Alright, I'll take that. Very much points here. Was Sumatra with one? Nope, it was Malaysia. Well, that was Malaysia, not Indonesia. I have no clue. I just was reading Spanish and the all over lookalike of the houses looks like Europe. So I just just guess it. And I was very lucky. This is something what is very scary. And I think the only place where I was seeing that was in here in this country, where they're hanging these dolls on the here. I think it's very creepy for me. I was searching for Las Canas. It was very small, so actually there was no way to find it.
You said you wanted to talk, so talk. Alright, cool. Now you want the truth.
And it's actually the same truck like before. Is this one? This one. I'll try my luck. Well. She guessed the same because she also see the same car.
Usually it's relatively straightforward. Occasionally it's a little more complicated. Sometimes.
Let's see, maybe it's here, maybe not. But I think it will. Oh, it was in Argentina. Oh, that was it. Great. Okay, 670. Again, radioactive FPS. Well, I have no clue, but I would guess somewhere here. Let's see. So it was a low cam. Okay, it was a low cam. Wrong. So that was the Alps. Okay, this one is also very hard. No car. Northern Hemisphere. All white lines will not give me North America. Huh. It was America. Even all white lines. Interesting. Next. I think it was there with this truck. Or even there. Two hits and she got me. Let's see. Okay, was Ukraine. Not to Russia. Um, drive on the left hand side. Handy. Where I know Berhanti from? Is it something Indonesian? Like, is it a language or something? would say Sweden here. Okay, it is Sweden. Well, I just thought it's this one with the 3 transform. Well, he or she is always a bit more near than me. Hmm. Okay, it was Uruguay. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's also for me for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hopefully see you tomorrow again. If you would like to support me and my game, you can wishlist it already in Steam. It will help me a lot, and it will also help the game. Thanks to everyone who is supporting me by following, subscribing. It helps me also a lot, even. And I'll be right here tomorrow at the right same time, like always, and then until Friday every day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, night, evening, or whatever time it is where you are right now, and see you again. Take care, everyone. See you, Dread Devil.